Coach na me, Skippo.
Come inside.
Coach, good afternoon, sir. You say make I come see you after training, sir.
Yes, ba. I know, sir. This is my first season in charge of this club. But I want shock Premier League. All this nonsense wey Guardiola and Man City they carry una do, it not gonna happen again as I don't enter EPL.
Sir, no be side they doubt you. That thing where you want to go hard.
No worry. Just trust me. On Sunday, you get assignments where you need do. Our last big EPL match, na Man United we play, abi?
Yes, sir.
We show them Shege Banza. For Chelsea, I want make we show them Shege Banza Pro Max.
I like you, sir.
This coming Sunday, my assignment for you na only one thing. No let Palmer assist or score any goal. Now your only assignment be that.
Godzilla, Palmer na small boy.
You see that nonsense celebration where you go hold hand for body like say call the catcher. I no want see that nonsense for Anfield. If it do am for other places, no be here.
No worries, sir. That boy will never walk alone. I go carry blanket. Go no go catch am. I go cover me and am. Na heat. Better heat. Na him go kill two of us. Global warming dey let work.
Good, good. Now wetin I want hear be that.
What of Jackson, sir?
Leave that busybody. Konate go handle am. Just focus on Palmer. The boy don't too make noise.
No problem, sir. I dey with you.
Come place bet for your favorite teams wey dey Premier League for inside 1xBet. The name of this promo na English Football Time. If you wan follow this promo, first of all, make sure say you don register with our promo code GNEXT to take get up to 300% bonus. Then go for the offer page, press take part. Place bets on top Premier League matches with nothing less than 8,200. You go dey entitled to 15% cashback inside your total stake as free bet every week. As your total stake dey big, na so your free bet amount dey big. No forget to read all their rules and regulations, and remember to dey bet with sense. Good luck. Oga Lampan and Oga Sari, una welcome to another edition of the Hooper Su Show.
Thank you, Kobala.
Thank you. Hope say today players go dey interesting.
Them they always dey interested na.
Today players na still young boys, although one young pass the other one.
Who them be?
Make I give una hint.
Okay na.
One na Spanish, the other one na English.
It don't finish. Give us more hint na. Which one be Spanish and English? Make I dey call random Spanish and English players give you.
Both of them na lefty, and them never reach 23 years old.
Which club?
If I talk that one, una go sabi am.
What of their positions?
Both of them na midfielders.
Anyone black?
I no know.
Saka.
Saka just turned 23.
Both of them lanky.
Them play this Euros.
Yes.
Players wey play for Spain and England under 23 years old no plenty na.
Palmer.
One.
Yamal.
Who pass who?
Blood of God. This one no go easy oh.
Which kind question come be this one na? Where I want start safe? Abeg, ask me this question in the next 2 years. This question no get answer now.
By next 2 years, the question no go sweet to answer again.
If I must to answer, I go collect Yamal just because saying them much younger.
At the moment, if I need to choose 5 aside team, na Palmer I go carry.
Why?
Because they play for Chelsea and na English boy.
No, not be because of am. E get something about the way Palmer dey take play in ball. First of all, e dey more versatile than Yamal.
What else?
Secondly, na him carry Chelsea for head last season. So, if you ask me, he gets better leadership qualities.
Yamal dey do mass assignment on Friday evenings. Come assist Lewandowski on Saturday evening. Come watch the cloth wey him go use go school on Sunday evening.
Comot for here, Joe! No be am dey washing cloth.
Na homeschooling Yamal dey do.
No mind am.
For the fact say person dey go school, do assignments, still come change game for weekend. Whether na to score or assist, my brother, nothing you go tell me or...
Palmer don score free kick goal.
No worry. Before Yamal reach 19 years, him go don score like 10.
We dey talk about now.
We no fit just talk about now. Part of the reason wey Yamal be say, him start dey terrorize defense from 16 years, abi na 15 sef. Palmer still dey play Call of Duty by that time.
Na lie. Him been dey watch the receiver.
Okay, make we do am like this. Where be their main position?
Everybody know Yamal position.
Palmer start from right wing, but now, e be like say him better for middle.
For that right wing, who better pass?
Yamal dey better for 1v1.
No! I no gree. Both of them na the same thing.
For where? For that right wing? Yamal dey do wetin your father no teach am.
Na your father teach Palmer wetin him do last season for that wing. 22 goals and 11 assists. Wetin Yamal do last season?
He carry trophy. You lost.
Comot for here, Joe.
Youngest player to register assist and the goal for a FIFA tournament.
If he like, make he be youngest player to touch ball for this life. In short, I don't even know why he had me to pick Palmer over Yamal. Palmer better pass Yamal everywhere.
The bet don't finish now. Kobala, the guy don't enter Momo mode. Make we shadow this debate for another time when in comot for this mod. You no fit win Momo for argument.
Oh my God.
Because I realize the truth, you dey call me Mumu.
Which truth you realize?
Palmer don score 4th trick 2 times for in young career as a midfielder. Wetin Yamal don do?
Yamal na 70-year-old defense killer. He never even smell him peak. Palmer dey inside him peak.
Which pick?
English boys dey pick for 22 to 24 now. Palmer.
Which kind talk be that? Now I know say na Jones to come Jones for here.
Kobala, abeg I dey lie. English boys no dey pick around 22 because of media.
I no know, sir.
Media that help English boys pick. Them go dey hype these boys so the balloon go burst. After balloon burst, everybody go come see say it be like say nothing dey this boys so. Just look at Rashford now, a bestialing. Even Foden don dey experience hangover due to hyperinflation.
God have mercy on this man.
Na so him talk say lies na Lord limit.
I know they do again, abeg.
Come back in the next 2 years. You go see say Palmer no be Yamal mate.
No worry, I go come back. And by that time, Palmer go don carry Ballon d'Or.
Now you go buy that trophy for Alaba market give am now. As long as say you get English blood or Chelsea blood, he must support you within life. I never see this kind biased person for my life.
But no be lying talk now.
See, you, he don't do you all.